Breaking news, my country people. A lot is happening in Edo State. The Nigerian High Court today reinstated Philip Shaibu as the Edo Deputy Governor. Guys, things are getting a bit interesting in Edo State ahead of the September 21st election. And this judgment is coming just few months to the expiration of Obaseki's tenure as governor in the state. So I wonder if this judgment will truly stand. A federal high court in Abuja has voided the impeachment of Philip Shaibu as the deputy governor of Edo State. Justice James Omotosho, in a judgment on Wednesday, ordered his reinstatement to office on the grounds that the Edo State House of Assembly failed to comply with the due process in purporting to impeach Shaibu. Shaibu, who was in court, shed tears of joy upon hearing the judge's pronouncements. Justice Omotosho held that the allegation on which the House of Assembly based the impeachment proceedings was untenable in law and does not constitute a gross misconduct. The judge then ordered the IGP to provide him with needed security to enable him resume office and perform the functions of the office until the end of his tenure. Justice Omotosho set aside the appointment of another deputy governor in place of Philip Shaibu. So, my country people, it's happening. We are seeing another conflicting court order in Edo State, where the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja brought back the impeached deputy governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, to his previous position. The justice ruled that the impeachment proceedings against Philip Shaibu was unlawful and unconstitutional, and emphasized that the impeachment violated the constitution. So therefore, Philip Shaibu should come back as the deputy governor of Edo State. The court has also directed that he should receive his salaries and allowances dating back to April 2024, when he was removed from office. However, in a response to the court's decision, the Edo State House of Assembly has appealed the judgment, as it has filed a motion requesting a stay of execution pending the outcome of the appeal. I talk am, my country people. I knew it, that the Edo State House of Assembly won't just fold their arms and sit by as this Federal High Court gave its judgment. I knew they will always appeal against this judgment. Now they filed a motion requesting a stay of execution pending the outcome of the appeal. So I wonder when this case will be out of the courts. But I'm sure, with the way things are going, Philip Shaibu has little time. Philip Shaibu has little time because Obaseki's tenure will expire September, and then he might hand over to the next person by November. So I don't know how Philip Shaibu will go about this. The Edo State House of Assembly back then in April impeached Shaibu after it adopted the report of a 7-member probe panel set up to probe allegations of gross misconduct against him. The assembly had accused Shaibu of leaking the state government secrets and committing perjury. They described Philip Shaibu's alleged offense as impeachable. So they had to impeach him. But I am sure that the move by the Edo State House of Assembly to impeach Shaibu was because of the feud between him and his principal, Governor Godwin Obaseki, because of the rift between both of them. And it can't be like say Philip Shaibu can't they do pass himself. So Obaseki had to make one or two moves to get him out of the way. And that was how the crisis started in Edo State, because it did not end there. Philip Shaibu went to court against his impeachment, and finally a federal high court has nullified his impeachment. So I don't know how things will really play out in Edo, but I'm sure it's going to be interesting because we are yet to see the moves of Philip Shaibu, guys. But then it is sad though, that our judiciary has now become a tool in the hands of politicians. It is so unfortunate that the Nigerian judiciary has now become a tool in the hands of politicians. So now that the House of Assembly in Edo State, the Edo State House of Assembly has appealed against this judgment, how will Philip Shaibu come back as the deputy governor? Because so long as they've appealed against this judgment, he's not going to come back just yet until they get a response from the appeal court. So my country people, this is serious. So, and as time goes on, this matter might get to the Supreme Court. Who knows? Anything might happen. This case might get to the Supreme Court. And then when it gets to the Supreme Court, for how long would it take for Philip Shaibu to win this case? How long? Perhaps by then the tenure of Obaseki will be over. So how would he come on board as the Edo deputy governor when the tenure of Obaseki is almost over? Obaseki has just few months left to leave office, and Philip Shaibu is fighting to come back. But then the Nigerian judiciary are doing a lot, because from now we are going to see another court judgment, another conflicting court judgment against Philip Shaibu. So my country people, what are your thoughts on this? The Edo Assembly, they were too quick to appeal against the judgment, upturning Shaibu's impeachment. They were so quick to appeal against the judgment by Justice Omotosho of the Federal High Court. I mean, they did not waste any time to appeal against the judgment. So let's see how everything plays out in Edo State between Philip Shaibu and his principal, Godwin Obaseki. Wahala just full everywhere, my country people. But then, hopefully, Philip Shaibu, might also triumph. Who knows? But then time is ticking. Time is ticking, because the longer this matter stays in court, time runs by, and then Obaseki's tenure will come to an end. So how would he get what he wants? Because the Edo State is also gearing up ahead of the September 21st election. So how would they resolve this issue amongst themselves? These are reactions from Nigerians. Now, black market democracy with a practice for Africa. The Nigerian judicial system is more than a comedy. A governor failed deputy supposed to work for the state. What governor can do, a deputy can do it now. Wow, it seems that this guy is winning the court case. It is high time they convert the Nigerian judicial system to a public secondary school. Honestly, they really need to relearn job ethics and morals, guys. These are reactions from Nigerians. So my country people, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments section.